Hello, dear friends. Welcome to our steel ball factory, China Fate. Okay, let's introduce our raw material round bar and we buy it from our China steel mill. Yes, you can see it. Now let's go to our workshop. As you see, this is a production line of steel ball over 80 millimeter. This is another production of steel ball from 20 to 80 millimeter. This is our tempering process. You can see it. And we have different packages, drum and tom bag and so on. As your requirement. We will keep all the samples over 6 months, and we use this spectrometer to test the steel ball of chemical elements. This is end of the visit. So welcome to you.